Hi, I'm Michael Grimsley. I'm with Lenovo. I want to show you our new remastered Yoga Smart Tab here. So with the Yoga Tab, it has a very unique design where we have the battery built into the base here, which gives you a couple different ways to use the device. So for one, it makes it easy to hold one-handed. But two, when you press the button back here, you can set it down to stand mode. And you can also hang the device upright. But what also makes this tablet interesting is you'll see here over here, I have the Google Assistant built into it. So as soon as you set this down on a table and charge it, or pop the stand out if you like, you have access to smart features you like, so asking the weather, controlling your lights in your house, anything that you'd like to normally do with the Smart Assistant. Along with that, you have two great powerful speakers on the side here, as well as Type-C charging. So it's going to match with any of the latest phones for your charger. You don't have to worry about finding a new one. Has great speakers, nice vibrant screen, and the Google Smart Assistant on here. It'll be coming at a price point of $249 in September.